Okay, here's the dishwasher. There's no drain that runs into the disposal, as you can see, but the dishwasher thing comes to here, comes to this pipe, and I put the baster, I used the turkey baster and tried to pump through there, and I heard the noise in the dishwasher. It's not clogged, but I just put the dishwasher back together thinking maybe it might have knocked something loose, some loose debris or something, and trying to run it, and it's making this noise. Awfully grinding. And there's no water inside, there's no water coming out or anything. So, I don't know. That's that.